This is a closing remark, but actually, we're giving you an update on what has been happening in the national capital. First of all, I would like to greet everybody for the year of independence to the President of the founder. So, palakpakan mo ba? Every anniversary, we always look forward to the past, what has been done.
Sa Omega.
Achieved before.
Sige na, kilala mo na.
We start with another year. We would like to look forward to what is going to happen for the next years in our lives. So, sa mga brothers and sisters, we would like to give you